Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and we are back with another economic update, as well as some bullish stocks, or stocks that I'm bullish on. University of Michigan preliminary consumer sentiment report, February 26, came out today. Main index rose slightly to 57.3 from 56.4 in January. They beat expectations. Analysts thought around 55. It's the third month in a row of small gains and the highest since August 2025. Current conditions, how people feel, improved 58.3. Future expectations dipped a tiny bit to 56.6. Year ahead inflation expectations dropped to 3.5% from 4%, which is good news. Overall, people feel a little bit better about the economy right now, especially those with stocks who gained from market rises, but sentiment is still very low historically, about 20% below last year's level, and worries about high prices and jobs continue. So this is better than the expected number and is mildly positive for stocks in the dollar. It suggests consumers might keep spending, supporting economic growth. Lower inflation expectations reduce pressure for big interest cut rates by the Fed. Markets often see a small boost in stocks like S&P 500 and slight strength in US dollar on days like this. However, the gain was tiny, so the reaction may stay limited unless other data confirms improvement. A final reading comes later this month. So there was a big spike in S&P 500, QQQ, Dow Jones, you name it, NASDAQ today in the markets, February the 6th. So I don't know if it's going to hold into Monday. We're going to see. And maybe this report, which has a high impact on markets, was a part of it, was part of the reason why people decided to dump money into the markets today. Anyway, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the like and subscribe button. Bitfarms, ticker BitF, is planning to re-domicile to the U.S. from Canada. And they want to rebrand as Keel Infrastructure. They are transitioning from Bitcoin mining to AI infrastructure and shares surge as much as 17% Friday morning. This is a micro cap stock I am looking to load up on very, very soon. I am bullish about this. As I've said in the past, AI is the new Bitcoin. Do not fade it. Semiconductor stats came in. These stats came in from an organization called World Semiconductor Trade Statistics, and they estimate that for 2026, semiconductor market is going to grow by more than 25% and reach nearly $1 trillion at $975 billion. So that's why I'm looking at semiconductor stocks to get some leaps on, and then use that to buy more Wingstop and Visa. Yeah, no. I just chickens just forever. And today is Friday. We got earnings from Toyota, Philip Morris International, kind of quiet day, Carlyle Group. Nothing too crazy. Let's take a look at next week and see what we have in for next week, if we can. Can we? I guess it's not going to show me. There we go. Let's see. Okay, HP. Okay. What else is in here? Play Studios. Oracle next Tuesday. Okay, that's going to have an impact on tech stocks. And Wednesday, what do we got Wednesday? I feel like this, Path is next week. We got to watch Path next week surrounding earnings. That's going to be a big opportunity. Adobe on Thursday. Ulta Beauty, Dick's Sporting Goods. What else? Yeah, I'm sure there's some more stuff in here for next week. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Enjoy your weekend. I'm out of here. I haven't lost yet. I've always been
weakest, and I've been mocked for it at every turn. But I still try as hard as I can.
You see, I've been leveling up this whole time. I won't give in to fear. I can't get stronger that way. I'll fight, level up, and take what's mine.